Alrighty, guys. Today is my daughter's birthday. We're gonna play a little game. She doesn't know the rules yet. We'll go over the rules, and then we'll let her play the game. I'm scared. Okay, are you ready for the rules of the game?
Yeah.
Okay, pay attention.
Okay.
It's real clear. You have 5 minutes to get anything you want. You put it in the cart in 5 minutes. It's yours. I buy it for you for your birthday.
Okay.
All right? You know how this game works?
Yeah. I can put anything in the cart in 5 minutes.
Yeah. Age appropriate. Let's try to make it age appropriate. Okay? And you can't just put a whole bunch of one item in there. Okay?
What?
You can't put a whole bunch of one item in there.
Okay.
Okay? All right, you ready?
Yeah.
Go. I'm following you. You go. You got 5 minutes. Oh, I'm so scared. $40 already.
I like this.
60. Okay. Oh, God. That's $130. Up to $130 now. Oh.
Wait, is that?
Oh, God. I'm glad she did not get that.
Go ahead.
Oh, thank you, ma'am. Come on.
Go back over here.
Okay. Following you.
What about this? I can't find it.
$135.
Where is it?
$145.
Oh, big squishy. I like the big squishy.
$170. You got a minute left.
A minute?
Yep. $30 seconds.
Seconds?
Yep. Well, you're the one in control. Time's up.
Time's up.
Go ahead and keep looking for a second, okay? Because I think you're looking for something that's like right up here somewhere. What are you looking for? What are you looking for? Huh? Nothing else? Okay. Whew. Alright, was that a fun game?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, did you do anything different?
No.
No?
But I was gonna go get a camera, but then I thought about, because I needed someone to help, so because they need to unlock the thing, then it'll probably waste all my time.
Oh, that's good thinking.
Yeah.
That's good thinking. Let's go look at the cameras.
Okay.
And there we go, guys. $244.47. Not as bad as I thought it was going to be. Especially not as bad whenever I saw her think about reaching for a $260 inflatable outdoor slide jumpy house thing. And I was like, oh, uh-oh. Thankfully, she didn't grab that, though. If she would have gotten it. Bye!